Can I have taro bubble tea?
Just small.
Small?
Yeah.
Small. How many cookies you want? Huh?
Just one.
One sugar butter cookie, one white chocolate macadamia nut cookie, and I'll have some froyo alongside.
Can you pull this up first so I can charge you up?
All right. Choose you. Yes, they have the new cheesecake flavor. Let's me twist this. I don't know if it.
Slowly. You put it slowly. Okay. You want to mix it?
I'm gonna mix it.
Okay.
I'm gonna add the twist of the both of them because I have cheesecake and I love cheesecake. If you also remember. Let's see if they can twist it here. And yes, you can.
Is that it?
I'm gonna add my toppings. Cheesecake.
Okay. Hold on. Could you calm down?
Here, let's.
To me.
Okay,
Where do you put this?
I think you threw them away in the trash.
Okay. What else?
Cookies and cream clusters.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna add some white chocolate, of course, chips.
You want the Twix?
Add Twix and white chocolate chips.
White chocolate chip.
They have white chocolate chips. A little Oreo.
Ooh, that's gonna be. Oh, you're putting it in your shirt.
Actually, let's get white chocolate chips and rainbow sprinkles.
Okay. Look, you got it all over me. Now do it. That's it, okay?
A little rainbow sprinkles and a little bit of white non-pearl.
A little bit of what?
I want enough of these so I can fill them, and I want enough of white non-pearls and white and rainbow sprinkles. I want enough to be called enough for you, but I also want them so I can have an experience. And then
Okay, that's enough.
yes, that's good.
So messy. Look, I got chocolate.
Oh,
Because you should have put this one in the middle.
not
You
sure.
wanna add? You wanna add?
Another.
This one,
Can you add a
cheesecake?
cheesecake?
Fold this one.
Go ahead and fill some more cheesecake. I want cheesecake this time, like pure cheesecake this time. Even though you have swirl, I like both. I just want to see something. The New York cheesecake is on the right. No, the New York cheesecake is on the right.
Oh, you want this one?
Yes.
You want that one?
This is what I was known for. It's great to see TCBY back in action after a few. Huh?
It's messy. I got chocolate.
Okay, sure, sure. Alright, put that on this. Yes, you can put it on the screen.
And what else do you want?
Sugar, butter, and white chocolate, macadamia nut.
And the bubble tea.
And the Taro bubble tea small.
Excuse me?
I'm gonna pay with
That's
with
Visa card.
are you gonna pay with a card or are you gonna pay with a
I'm gonna. You,
Naira?
yes, I said it. You get your Visa card. Your Chase Visa card. There's a Visa animation. How many a tip you want? You want a tip or the?
Be quiet. Wait, how much did you?
It was just a $2 tip.
It was just $1.
Anyways. Visa animation and sound. You can hear it slightly. PAX A35 with Google Pay logo.
And your spoon. Don't forget the spoon.
I won't forget the spoon. Thank you. Ooh. All right. Put it, mix the, like the one that's gonna spill so it won't like spill.
Put it in the middle.
All right, that's good. And the bubble tea is gonna be next, okay?
The Toro will be right up. You guys can just wait on the side. We'll call you up.
Okay.
All right. Should we take this down the elevator, Ron? Should we sit down the Huh? I'll wait for your tea, okay?
Okay, I need you to hold this. Give me the bag. Hold this one like this. In the bottom. Hold it in the bottom. Okay.
Hold my cookies.
Just put the cookies in here for now. When you get my taro, add some more of the tissue. Hold it well, don't drop.
There's a seat. I can wait here. I'm gonna. Yes. Can you put a stand so you can see me eating?
Downstairs.
Okay, this is me eating my yogurt. Nostalgic, like the early days. My childhood. I'm gonna get some cheesecake pieces.
Can I try it? Where's the cheesecake? No. What's this one?
Strawberry.
Oh, okay. And this is the
New York
cheesecake.
Many things here, massive cheesecake
Where's
pieces,
your-
and
Where's your
all right,
spoon?
that's it for now. Papaya puppy 9 out. It was so good. That's it.